Introduction and my journey. AliExpress is one of the largest online marketplaces globally. It connects millions of buyers and sellers. I recently started ordering from AliExpress in Nigeria. My goal was to buy multiple items, including a high-speed router, safely and efficiently. Like many Nigerians, I hesitated at first due to scams, delivery problems, and customs issues. I asked myself, can I trust the seller? Will my package arrive at the correct address? How long will shipping take? I decided to try AliExpress because it offered a wide variety of products, competitive pricing, and free shipping options. This script combines my personal experience with a detailed guide, so anyone in Nigeria can order safely and confidently. 1. Download and register on AliExpress. I downloaded the AliExpress app from the Play Store and registered with my email. I explored the app layout first: home, categories, search, cart, orders, and account settings. Personal experience. Exploring the app before ordering helped me avoid mistakes. I understood where to find orders, cart, and account settings, which made the entire process smoother. Guide. Tip: take time to explore the app before making your first purchase. 2. Add shipping address correctly, including zip code. I entered my full name, phone number, street, city, state, and zip code. Personal experience. I accidentally used the wrong zip code for my first order. One package was rerouted to Osogbo instead of Ife, which caused a 3-hour journey for me to collect it. I also received conflicting messages from SpeedAF. One said delivery would happen that day, another said it was rescheduled. Lesson learned: always double-check your zip code. Incorrect addresses lead to delays, reroutes, and extra effort. Guide. Tip: save and verify addresses in the app before placing an order. 3. Search for products, typing, images, links. I searched for products using keywords, image search, and product links shared by friends. I compared prices, specifications, photos, and seller details. Personal experience. For my router, I compared multiple options. I avoided a cheaper router with poor Nigerian reviews and chose one slightly more expensive but with verified positive feedback. Lesson learned: the cheapest product is not always the best. Guide. Tip: filter by orders. Check product images carefully and read descriptions thoroughly. 4. Change currency to dollars. AliExpress initially shows prices in Naira. I changed the currency to dollars for a stable price, which aligned with my dollar card. Personal experience. Using Naira first caused confusion with exchange rates. Switching to dollars simplified my payments. Guide. Tip: change currency before browsing to match your payment method. 5. Collect coins and coupons. I collected coins daily through check-ins and simple tasks. Coins combined with seller coupons reduce the final cost. Personal experience. Collecting coins for a month helped me save on my router and accessories. Combining coins with seller and platform coupons reduced the total cost by nearly 12%. Guide tip: always collect coins daily and check for applicable coupons before placing orders. 6. Check vendor stores. Feedback, sales, returns. I reviewed feedback, sales volume, store age, and dispute history. Personal experience. Some stores with low prices had negative reviews and few sales, which I avoided. The router I chose came from a store with high feedback and thousands of sales. Lesson learned: established stores usually deliver quality products reliably. Guide tip: click on the seller's store to verify overall metrics. 7. Read reviews. Good, bad, Nigerian specific. I read reviews thoroughly, focusing on Nigerian buyers' experiences with customs, packaging, and delivery times. Personal experience. Nigerian reviews revealed which stores reliably shipped to local addresses. I avoided sellers who had delivery issues in Nigeria. Guide tip: focus on detailed reviews with photos. Avoid generic or repeated reviews. 8. Avoid scams. I avoided unrealistically cheap products, new sellers with few reviews, and suspicious feedback patterns. Personal experience. I almost bought a router that was significantly cheaper than others. Checking reviews and store metrics revealed it was a potential scam, so I avoided it. Guide tip: check the number of orders, store age, feedback score, and Nigerian-specific reviews. 9. Payment methods. Dollar cards. I used my OPay account to pay for what I ordered on AliExpress and it worked smoothly. Personal experience. My first attempt with a local Naira card failed multiple times. Switching to a dollar card solved the issue instantly. Guide tip: confirm the card has sufficient balance and is active for international transactions. 10. Placing the order, I chose free shipping, verified my address, quantity, and coupons, and submitted the payment. AliExpress sent confirmations with order numbers, seller details, and estimated delivery times. Personal experience. I ordered 3 items, including the router. One package was rerouted, but tracking helped me know exactly where my items were. Guide tip: keep screenshots and emails to resolve any disputes. 11. Shipping and tracking. I tracked every stage: pickup, sorting, flight, arrival in Nigeria, customs clearance, and local delivery. Personal experience. One package was rerouted to a Sogbo. I contacted SpeedAF, coordinated with the bike courier, and personally collected my packages. Lesson learned: tracking and proactive communication are crucial. Guide tip: save tracking numbers and monitor updates daily. 12. Customs clearance packages undergo inspection, usually 1 to 3 days in Nigeria. Personal experience. My packages cleared customs smoothly, but understanding the process prevented unnecessary panic. Guide tip: track daily and provide requested information promptly. 13. Local delivery and collection. SpeedAF assigned couriers with names, phone numbers, and scheduled delivery times. Personal experience. One package had to be collected personally because my dad was unavailable. Coordinating with the courier ensured all items were delivered safely. Guide tip: share tracking numbers and confirm delivery addresses with trusted family members or couriers. 14. Unboxing and testing. I unboxed my router and accessories, verified specifications, tested Wi-Fi, hotspot, speed, and connectivity. Personal experience. The router exceeded expectations, performing better than local alternatives. Accessories, even those purchased separately, worked perfectly. Guide tip: inspect items immediately and document with photos for potential disputes. 15. Maximizing discounts. I combined AliExpress coins, seller coupons, and platform promotions to save nearly 12% on my purchase. Guide tip: track active coins and coupons and plan purchases around platform promotions. 16. Handling multiple orders. I ordered 3 items. 2 packages shared one tracking number. The third had a separate number. Personal experience. Despite shared tracking, the courier delivered all items correctly after confirmation. Guide tip: keep a list of orders and verify contents upon delivery. 17. Refunds and disputes. One package had a refund initiated while in transit. AliExpress protected my payment until delivery. Lesson learned: do not panic with refunds. Inspect packages first before taking further action. Guide tip: keep all communication within AliExpress and document everything. 18. Lessons. Learned accurate addresses and zip codes prevent misdelivery. Verify seller metrics and reviews before purchase. Use dollar cards for smooth payments. Track packages and communicate proactively. Test items immediately upon receipt. Patience and proactive coordination are key. 19. Final thoughts. AliExpress rewards: preparation, patience, and careful decision-making. My experience shows that with proper research, tracking, and verification, Nigerian buyers can safely order high-quality international products. Coins, coupons, and careful planning make the experience cost-effective. My high-speed router and accessories arrived safely and performed better than local alternatives. AliExpress is no longer just an app. It becomes a tool for smart, safe, and cost-effective shopping. Final reviews and conclusion. 1. Download and register on AliExpress. How? Download the AliExpress app from Play Store or App Store. Registration can be done via email, phone number, or Google account. Tip: explore the interface before ordering. Home, categories, search, cart, orders, account settings. Benefit: understanding the app layout reduces mistakes and makes order tracking easier. 2. Add shipping address correctly, including zip code. Key steps: enter full name, active phone number, street address, city, state, and correct zip code. Tip: double-check zip codes via Google Maps or Nigeria Post. Save addresses for future orders. Why it matters. Incorrect addresses can result in delayed delivery, rerouting, or lost packages. 3. Search for products, typing, images, links. Methods: typing keywords in the search bar, using image search for visual matches, following product links from friends or recommendations. Tip: compare multiple products on price, reviews, photos, and seller details. Filter by orders to see the most purchased items. Benefit: helps avoid scams and ensures quality. 4. Change currency to dollars. How? Change currency in AliExpress settings to USD. Tip: match your currency to your payment method to avoid exchange rate issues. Why it matters. Dollar pricing ensures a stable cost for Nigerian buyers using international cards. 5. Collect coins for discounts. How? Collect daily coins via check-ins, app tasks, and promotions. Tip: combine coins with seller or platform coupons to maximize savings. Benefit: even small savings accumulate over multiple orders, reducing the total cost. 6. Check vendor stores, feedback, sales, returns. Key metrics: feedback percentage number of completed sales. Return and dispute history. Store age. Tip: avoid new or poorly rated stores. Established stores with high sales and positive feedback are more reliable. Why it matters. Store metrics predict product quality and delivery reliability. 7. Read reviews, good, bad, Nigerian specific. How? Focus on detailed reviews with buyer photos, comments, and experiences from Nigerian buyers. Tip: check for issues like customs delays, packaging problems, and product performance in Nigeria. Benefit: helps avoid sellers with local delivery challenges and low-quality products. 8. Avoid scams, store metrics, review analysis. Red flags: unrealistically cheap items. Stores with few reviews or low order volume. Repeated or generic feedback. Tip: verify seller metrics and analyze reviews before purchase. Why it matters. Reduces the chance of fraud and ensures you receive authentic products. 9. Use dollar cards for payment options for Nigerians. MoneyB, Chipper Cash, UBA dollar card, OPay, cash transfer. Tip: confirm card balance, billing info, and international transaction eligibility. Why it matters. Dollar cards prevent failed transactions and simplify international payments. 10. Handle shipping, free options, timelines, tracking. Options: free shipping, longer delivery, or paid shipping, faster, tracked. Tip: track packages daily via AliExpress or courier website. Confirm shipping address before dispatch. Why it matters. Consistent tracking ensures you know where your package is at all times and allows timely action if issues arise. 11. Additional tips for Nigerian buyers. Combine coins and coupons. Always check for discounts to save money. Verify seller reliability. Avoid low-rated or new sellers. Track orders. actively helps in case of delays or reroutes. Coordinate with couriers. Share addresses and tracking numbers with family if you cannot receive packages personally. Test items immediately. Ensure functionality before the buyer protection period ends. Document everything. Take photos of packages and products for disputes. Conclusion: AliExpress is safe and reliable for Nigerians when approached with preparation, patience, and careful decision-making. By following this guide, buyers can avoid scams, save money with coins and coupons, ensure smooth payment and shipping, track and receive packages safely, test and verify products effectively. Shopping internationally can provide high-quality products that outperform local alternatives, and AliExpress offers a platform to do this safely and cost-effectively. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on online shopping, gadgets, and international buying tips. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Your support helps me create more helpful content for Nigerians who want safe and cost-effective ways to shop online. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping on AliExpress.